Alright you guys, how's it going? Today I'll be showing you how to remove an airbag control module that sits in the corner over here. First I'm going to make it easier, you can take the seats off, which I'm probably going to do to vacuum. This car was in a collision, seatbelt's locked up. I already got it repaired at Safety Restore. And yeah, I'll show you guys how to take it off. Disconnected the front ones, moving it up to loosen the rear ones up. And there's the rear ones. Go over here, just got 10mm nut, disconnect the negative battery. Just like that. Now when you do the seat, usually there's some connectors underneath, which is, as you can see, there's these. You may disconnect it, you don't have to, but probably a good idea to remove the seat away. Alright, you guys, grab a 12mm wrench or a socket, just take it out. Same thing on the other side, there's another panel. Then you'll probably have another bolt up front. I'll let you know. Alright, once you take on this side, the other side bolt, you got a bolt right there. Stick your wrench up in there, take it out. You could make it easier and just take the whole thing out, but I got a small ratchet with a tiny adapter from 1/4 inch to 3/8 drive and a 12mm socket, and I'm loosening it up right in there and it's working. The last bolt out, there's only three bolts, and now the connector. This just clips down. Now there's a lock down here, this little tab. Like that thing right there, just slide out. Pull those 10mm bolts out. Now you got these guys right here, just pry up on them. Alright, you just pop this out from the center, just like that. Alright, get that 10mm bolt out. I fully moved that out of the way, unplugged it. Now I'm taking this guy out, centerpiece. Kinda looks like you got 10mm back there. After taking those 10mm bolts, lift up on this and slide out, just a bit enough. Now you have enough room to disconnect everything and unbolt it. What you do to disconnect it, you push down on that and pull this out. Just like that. Same thing with the other ones.